Hello everyone, so if you wanna enable or disable developer options on your Xiaomi Redmi 13, first tool, open up your settings, now find your About Phone tab right here at the top, scroll down to your OS version, and now we are to tap 7 times on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great, we opened up our developer options. Now go back to your settings, scroll down to your additional settings, and in your additional settings you are to find your developer options. Tap here, and here you'll have a lot of new settings like USB debugging and so on, so go through them, choose what you need. Once done, you can toggle off the developer options in your developer options mode. Simply tap on the switch near it, and as you see, it's disappeared. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.